How to use ChatGTP on WhatsApp. Hello guys, welcome back to Random Tech YouTube channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can use ChatGTP on WhatsApp. So here before starting the videos, I would like to request you please to hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon. So without wasting much more time, let's get started. So guys, first of all, what you need to do is that to use chat gtp, I mean AI, on your WhatsApp, what you need to do is that you have to go to your Google, and then here you have to search for SHMOOZ, okay, and then AI. You have to search this, and then after searching this type of interface will be pop up. You can see here the top one, smooth AI. Just tap here and then hold on for some time. It will redirect you to this page here. So until that, please subscribe to the channel. Here you can see allow. Just click on allow and scroll down here. You can see this type of interface will be pop up. This is exactly like chat gtp. Click on get start, okay, and here you can see get started for free. So just tap on it and then it will redirect you to WhatsApp. Please wait a moment, just hold on. So here you can see you will directly it will redirect you to WhatsApp. So here if you type hi, you can see you will get a message, welcome to this, check out this conversation. Again I will write hello. You can see hello, how can I assist you today? So let us ask something like, who is the Prime Minister of India? Okay, let us check. The current Prime Minister of India is Narendra Modi. He has been serving in the position since May 2014. So this is a very cool chat GTP to use in WhatsApp. I hope this video is absolutely helpful for you. Thanks for watching.